Good evening, everybody. This is Mr. Carl here. It's a very late night, but I got a product I want to open up, and I'm kind of excited for it. I haven't seen any videos on this yet, and I'm just gonna flip it around. There's that. My local hobby shop had this, and so I was like, I didn't see it. I haven't been to Walmart or even Target in a little while, just because I'm getting to that point where I'm dull on some Pokemon cards, and so that's the video. I mean, it comes with quite a bit in it. I do want to keep the bottom part. Don't know exactly. I'll just put it right here for now. Almost close to getting my wish of all Sun and Moon packs. So far, Forbidden Light, Crimson Light, Landius coin, Landius pin. So yeah, just replace that evolution pack with, I don't know, put Burning Shadows there. This would actually be a beautiful set. Actually, just so one Ultra Prism, I meant a Burning Shadow, but I ain't gonna complain. So you get the big nice jumbo card, be legendary. Thundurus, Tornadus, Thundurus, and Landorus, HP 500 legendary Pokemon. For lightning, fighting, and colorless, be legendary. 1000 attack. Tornadus, Thundurus, and Landorus embarks on 1 year of a legendary adventure. No retreat cost. We'll put that right there for now. And that just got splintered. Oh. Alright. Alright, so you got Evolution, Sun and Moon, Gardens Rises. I did lose another pack, didn't I? Huh. Where did that Crimson Invasion pack go? No, where did it went? Huh. This, okay. 3. Forbidden Light. Forbidden Light. I don't know. I'm gonna pause this really quick. I'll edit it later, but alright, well, I recovered. Got the Landius pin, but lost the backing already. That's alright. I think I have a pin in my little area that I'm just gonna, so right now I'm just gonna put that right here to the left, and I get the Landius Quang. And then, okay, so Freeze Frame, Tornadius GX, there we go. Put that in this selection. There's Tornadus. Alright, and we're gonna go order of release. Alright. And yeah, I'm just gonna hope to see what we get for it. Alright, an evolution pack. Go 2, 3, and 2. Alright, so we got Electabuzz, Rattata, a Growlithe, a Nidoran, sorry. Ooh, that was an error. Vulpix, Haunter, Brock's Grid, Slowbro Spirit Link, Haunter, and Mega Venusaur. Alright, that's beautiful there. probably should sleeve that up, but yeah, I feel a little envious if I don't. Mega Venusaur EX. Sleeved. Alright, we'll go Sun and Moon. I'm gonna do the infamous Guess the Energy game. TM'd by Mr. Leonhardt himself. If I can ever get notarized by him, that'd be awesome. But, hey, you start off small, you gotta go somewhere. Alright. Hat trick. 1, 2, 3. And that is 3. Flip it forward. Alright. It's a new set. Start Sun and Moon. Fairy? Oh. Nope. Alright. So we got a Yungoos, a Torkoal, a Litten, a Stuffle, Eve, Pelipper, Timer Ball, Pinsir, Surskit, and a Palossand. Alright, actually. Sun and Moonish. There. Alright, Guardians Rises. Ooh. There you guys go. Tell me what you guys get in that pack. Flip it back. Oh, I think this is lightning. It is, yeah, see, I kind of cheated a little bit, so that doesn't really count. Can't really guess the energy when you kind of poke your head and kind of see it there. Murkrow, Landed, Rockruff, Delibird, Noisepace, Morini, Hollow, Aether Prediction, Max Potion, Sharpedo. Alright. So, Crimson Invasion. Well, if we can get a Crimson Invasion, that would be nice. Crimson Invasion. 2, 3. 3. Flip it forward. There, right this time. Grass. Oh, nope. Alright, still got a Starly, a Skato, a Weedle, a Lowling Geodude, an Auron, Counter Catcher, Emolga, Crumpig, a Lowling Graveler, and the rare is. Oh, nice. Okay, so that's a reverse rare. Gengar. That's not bad. Oh, yeah, that's right. I have a selection. Alright, Forbidden Light. There you guys go. I'm just gonna give away all the code cards in this set. This little thing. Minus the only thing I'm probably not gonna give up is the Force of Natures, just because of the fact that I kind of want to add it to my TCG. I have a lot of things to add to my TCG. So water. Oh, another fighting. Alright, Sad Cubone, a Bunnelby, a Snover, a Scatterbug, Rockruff, Frogadar, Empaporter, Doublade. Oh, another Sad Cubone. And the rare is. Ooh, Delphox. Interesting. Alright, last pack. Can we get some last pack magic? There's a code card for you folks. 2, 3, and 3. Oh no. So, that should be the energy. Uh-oh. I think this is gonna end up really wrong. Fire. fuego, al fuego, al fuego. Alright, so we got a Rockruff, a Gibble, a Flabebe, Mosquito, Froakie, Ultra Recon Squad, Fossil Observation Map. Oh, that's cute. That's really, really cute. And the rare is, oh, Zergatry. So, for the recap, we got a Meowstic, a Delphux, a Gengar, and a Mega Venusaur. That, my friends, is the video of the Force of Nature's GX box. This is Mr. Carl here, signing out. Have a great day and a night, and, anything else.